Hi there, this is Tina Hughes from buildawebsitetonight.com. This is my client newsletter. It's April 10, 2010. I'd just like to say hello. I hope you've all been having a fabulous week, and I've got some tips for you today that you might enjoy. A website question that I had that I would like to share with you is, are hyphens recommended for meta tags? Excellent question. So for those of you who are familiar with meta tags, this will be of interest to you. Now, I've written a page about this, and I've actually created a little video for the page as well. So when you go to my website, you can simply type in hyphens meta tags in the search box and you'll find this article. If you're actually watching this video on my website, I'll put the URLs below the video so you'll be able to easily click over onto the pages. So on this page, I briefly give a little chat about this, and then I show a little table about when and where to use hyphens in your meta tags. Okay, now this little image that I've created here, you might enjoy this, and I'll show you which website I made that on today. Wordle is a very simple little website, and its URL, its page link is wordle.net, N-E-T. So it's not .com, it's .net. As you can see in the examples here, the writing is all over the place, and it can be very interesting to create great little views. What you do, you simply click on this link here to get started, create your own. Once there, you can type in some words. I've typed in a few words to give an example, and I'm just going to zoom in on the page so that you can see what I've typed. So you just type in random text and then you click on the go button. I've zoomed out in Firefox so that you can see what I've created. To zoom out, I use the Apple Command key and the minus sign on Firefox. Now, when you can see your image like this, you can change the colour. We could go with something really crazy. So you play around with this, find something that you like. When you're happy with it, you can change the layout so that it's all horizontal, half and half, mostly horizontal is the setting right now. You can change the font, the language, etc. When you've got it just right, you can actually save that. Let me get rid of that. You can save that and play around with it till you get something that you like. Okay, you can then save it to the public forum. Alrighty, so that's it for Wordle.net. I wrote a short article for you this week also about what to do when a customer payment fails. If you're doing work online, if you're selling things online, like I have some ebooks that I sell, it may be that if you're using a payment system that little problems can occur from time to time. Now what happened in this instance was I have an ebook that was selling quite nicely and not very expensive, but I got a notification from PayPal to say that someone had chosen, rather than to pay immediately, they were going to use an e-check, which meant that I didn't get paid automatically. I would have to wait for at least another 5 days or so. And when the time was up, I got another email from PayPal saying, we're sorry, there weren't any funds in the person's bank account to cover that payment. So anyway, if you read this little article, you'll find out if this happens to you, how to get around it. And so to find this on my website, you can just type in customer payment fails, or you can scroll to the bottom of the page if you're on my page and just click on the link that's there. I'm going to make another video. This is the end of video 1. This is Tina Hughes from buildawebsitetonight.com.